All right, you assholes, I'm gonna show you how to make a fucking sweet potato, or yam. I guess technically this is a yam. So a lot of recipes make this seem harder than it really is. The only hard thing is waiting an hour for this goddamn thing to cook. So sweet potato selection, or yam selection, you wanna get one that's kind of firm, or firm, I guess, not moldy, not fucking squishy. For size, I like to take about the size of my cock, and multiply that by like 15 to 20. And that gets me, it gets me this. Here, I have this comically small bottle of wine that I'm gonna use as a fucking marinade. You know what, actually, there. That's a good size for a sweet potato. If you don't know what that looks like, you're a fucking pansy and you can't grow chest hair. So next, you get your sweet potato unwashed because you're not gonna eat the fucking skin, and you just stab the shit out of it with a fork. I like to get from like there and there up. This lets the steam out. It'll like, I don't know, your sweet potato will get fucked up if you don't do it. I don't know. I just like fucking stabbing, and it makes me feel like a real cook. I guess you can put like olive oil on there if you want. You don't need to. Next thing is fucking put it in a baking sheet thing. I line mine with fucking tin foil so I don't have to wash this later on. Because fuck doing dishes. Next, you're gonna turn your oven up to like 400 to 425, somewhere in there. It fucking does not matter. Specifics, you're not baking a fucking croissant or some shit. It's a fucking dumb yam. It's a fucking stupid sweet potato. You're just gonna fucking, once that is as hot as it needs to be, like 400, 425, whatever, throw this fucker in there, set a timer for like 45 minutes. Check it. If it's squishy, if it feels like it's done, then you're good. If not, leave it in for an hour. Normally, I just forget and I leave it in for about an hour anyway, and it's never been bad. So that's all you have to do to cook a sweet potato. I hope you've enjoyed.